Greetings, my name is Aaren Williams Striplin. I'm High Priest Aaren Striplin, Tabernacle of God. I'm actually a United States of America citizen, African American man from the actual United States of America. I'm an African American paraplegic, and I have eye cameras and a voice recorder on my mobility device. Same as you, same as the president, the first family, and the second family, and the vice president. There's no difference. But I don't have access to my mobility device because the president killed my mom for her just pay yearly taxes house and targeted me as an 11-year-old, kidnapped me from my Carquinez Middle School in Crockett, California, and held me hostage for 20, 30 years so that he can kill my mom and then kill me next so that I couldn't inherit the house. My mom's name is Helen Grace Striplin McLeod Smith, and her house is 9510 Arrowhead Falls Court, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89148. And so you're being sued in the United States District Court. Your name is Robert Hunter Biden. You're being sued in the United States District Court. Your name is Joe Biden. And then there's multiple other people being sued. And this is the district court in Washington, D.C. And so I think I served you through the U.S. Postal Services, but they are still in our mail. And Joe Biden's being sued. He's being sued in the D.C. courts, civil division, all civil division for you to and for you. And so Joe Biden killed the remaining people in the house. He killed Chantel Stokes, Chantel Renee Pervo Lonnie, Crystal Lonnie, Ashley Lonnie, Ladarius Lonnie, Quincy Lonnie, Darren Striplin, Armani Jones, and at 1324 Mariposa Street, Rodale, California 94572, and at 148 Dempsey Way, Rodale, California 94572. And he tried to get out of it by calling us all Japanese so that he can kill us for the eye camera and the voice recorder that captured him doing the home invasion with Donald John Trump. Donald John Trump killed Helen Grace Striplin while he was in office, and Barack Obama and Malia Obama killed Aaren Williams Striplin while they were in office. And Joe Biden killed everybody else in the generation while they were in office and committed U.S. treason on Johnny Striplin. And so you're being called in because you're the first boy of the United States of America, and Eric Trump is torturing people with Barron Trump, and they're doing bank robbery with Joe Biden right now in the D.C. courts. So we need to know where you stand because you're our first boy, and then Joe Biden is killing a generation of people, and you're the first lady, and there's no slavery in America, and there's no bank robbery. What are we supposed to do? Go out of the court and then go back to court for bank robbery? You're stealing bank. And so the American people need to know right now where you stand while you are in office. You're not stacking the deck on us. You're not going to say you're Robert Mueller, and then you're not going to say you're John G. Roberts Jr. You're not going to say that you're Robert Contee III, and then you're the chief of police, you're the director of the FBI, and you're the U.S. Justice of the Supreme Court, way in some 2055 stuff, and you get 8 years to be the president. And then you killed the remaining generations of people who you're robbing for homes. You're targeting homeowners for homes, and you're killing the retarded lame. So the American people have a right now to know where you stand. Are you for the American people, or are you killing homeowners and retarded youth during slavery? Okay, slavery is illegal in the United States of America. You are the incumbent holder, which means that the people of the United States, who are all 46 presidents, voted for you. But the United States president is the president, and the United States President Abraham Lincoln said there's no slavery in the United States of America, yet you went to the 19th precinct in New York, and tried to have a slave, October 29, 2021. And then you used that to kill all of those family members that I just named. And then you went down to San Diego Police Department main headquarters, and then the branch downtown by the Dollar Tree, and to the San Diego Sheriff Department so you can set up another fake scam in May 2022. And now you're trying to have Aaren Williams Striplin as a slave and murder him with Microsoft. in 2023 so that you can get the House. So I don't want you to be my president. Jill, you're not going to be our president for 8 years and then try to kill everybody else in the House because your husband started it. And Joe Robert Hunter Biden, you're not going to stack the deck on us and be our president for 8 years right now. In fact, I got an impeachment committee. I went to the federal claims court, the United States Federal Claims Court, and filed a federal claims against the impeachment committee at the United States Senate, Washington, D.C., 20510. And they're the defendants. They're going to press charges on Joe Biden. So you're going to have to come to court and you have to tell people where you stand in America. Are you going to stand with slavery, which has been abolished already? Or are you going to stand with the American people? I'm asking you to come to the impeachment hearings as the first lady and tell on Joe Biden. I'm asking Joe Biden to come and tell on Barack Obama and to tell on Malia Obama and tell on the Trumps. Or I'm asking the American people to come to witness y'all come to the hearing and commit perjury. Or I'm asking all of y'all to do your investigations and abolish slavery. But I'm not asking. And now the House Judiciary is being called in at another address as defendants. And they are going to do an investigation. I am not your slave. I do not have no warrants for my arrest. I do have a right to go to court, and you're not killing me with your Microsoft scam and with Trump and with Biden for my house that I am in line next to own. Aaren Williams Striplin, YouTube.com. Impeachment Committee, impeach Joe Biden and Kamala D. Harris. Left Glove, YouTube.com. Impeachment Committee, impeach Joe Biden and Kamala D. Harris. RICO Act, YouTube.com. Impeachment Committee, impeach Joe Biden and Kamala D. Harris. Financial Department, YouTube.com. YouTube News, Episode 1, YouTube.com. Letter Ledgers, 20, YouTube.com. Letter Ledgers 21, YouTube.com. Letter Ledgers 23, YouTube.com. U.S. Supreme Court, Aaren Williams Striplin versus Defendant Joe Biden case of slavery, YouTube.com. Prime Minister of Japan office, YouTube.com. DJ Akie radio segments, FM 1 through 21, YouTube.com. Black History Month, first black to go to heaven, YouTube.com. Heaven Radio, YouTube.com. Heaven TV, YouTube.com. And I want this to be known that Joe Biden hired Criminal Minds Cast Behavior Analysis Unit and suspect behavior to kill us at the Blair House Shelter, 635 I Street, Northeast Washington, D.C. 20002, to avoid jury trial. And he hired LL Cool J, the rapper from Def Jam's recordings, to kill us June 2nd, 2023, when he's coming to do a performance at the arena, at the Capital One Arena, the same day that Joe Biden has to go to court. So I'm telling you guys, you're going to get in trouble if you think you're going to come to the Blair House with fake warrants and kill our plaintiff in the United States courts. You're going to go to jail if you think you're going to call us Japanese, and they're going to go to jail for trying to force us. Joe Biden pulled out the eye of Chantel Stokes while the FBI impersonators were there talking about, if you don't order bombs to come to America, we're going to pull out your eye next. So now we're sitting here with a camera saying, we want Korea to come to the United States and bomb the United States. We don't know shit about Korea. We want Japan to come to the United States. We want Vietnam to come to the United States because Balboa is stealing from us at the Blair House Shelter. He's Sam Cooper. And Malia Obama is trying to kill us with the Leah Cooper and Dana Cooper, who's trying to say that they're BB Jennifer so that they all can kill us with Mike Livingston, the hitman they hired, while in office. And all of this is on the mobility device. It's on my mobility device and Joe's mobility device. It's on Trump's mobility device and Obama's mobility device. And we're going to get it at the impeachment hearings. They're going to hear about this. And you're not going to kill us because we're not terrorists. You are. You the one that pulled out our eye and saying that we can't come into a shelter, and you're gonna kill us with LL Cool J, and you're gonna kill us with Criminal Minds unless we say these things on camera. Why are you pulling out our eyes?